In a world that's constantly evolving, where technology shapes our future, there's one concept that stands out: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a distant dream. It's a reality that's transforming every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to finance, education to transportation. At TechTeach, we understand the immense importance of AI in the 21st century. That's why we're here to guide you on this incredible journey. Our educational courses are meticulously crafted by industry professionals who have immersed themselves in the world of artificial intelligence over the last few years, working in the field with countless companies. Understanding and knowing how to use AI in your daily tasks is what will give you a competitive edge and help you distinguish yourself from everyone else. Our platform isn't just about theory, it's about practicality. We're fully integrated with AI bots, ChatGPT, and various AI tools that empower you to apply what you learn. AI is not a niche technology. It's the driving force behind the everyday conveniences we've come to rely on, like voice assistants and personalized recommendations. When you choose TechTeach, you're choosing a pathway to success in a world that thrives on AI innovation. Join us and unlock your potential.